Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Thinkphone device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement. To do it, open phone application. You will see keyboard here. You need to hide it. Then click on the right up corner of your screen. Click on this three dots button. Click settings. Then scroll down and find here on the down caller ID announcement. Click on it. Click announce caller ID and here choose one of these three options. Never announce, only when using a headset, or always. I want to use only when using a headset. It's great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.